everyone, this is Jia and you're watching Jia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw eyelashes in just 5 steps. This video is specially created for beginners. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. Step 1. In this video, I am just using HB pencil and 9B pencil. Make sure it should be sharp. Now take HB pencil and I will draw the basic shape of eye. Now draw U curves in upper eye line. Then draw same as below. Now make line at the end part of U curve like this. It will look like eyelashes. Do the same process with the lower lashes. First step is done. Let's move on second step. Now I am taking 9B pencil and make the eyelashes in this line. Like this. Must attach the outer corner of two lines like this. Like this. Then color this part. Also draw small lines between these lines. Second step is done. Let's move on third step. In this step, I am just using 9B pencil and make the base line as dark. Also outline the inner part. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. Now I am drawing lower lashes same as the upper one. Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. Now I am creating the length of the outer lashes like this. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.